Watching the trash truck. I know, it's loud, huh? Big old. It's okay. Only lasts for a few minutes. It's okay, big baby. You're doing a lot better than you used to be, running around and freaking out. Come here. I'm gonna back up to the fence. Yeah, good job. Back up to the fence and hide from that big old trash truck. He's watching him intensely. What's he doing? I'm like, oh, okay. It's just that truck. Good boy. Big old truck. Almost gone. I'm glad you're getting used to these loud noises because there's tractors and all kind of things you got to be used to, even to go on the horse trails and down Norco's horse trails by the street. Doing good. Good boy. My old brother. Him and his buddy are both standing by the gate, way far away from there. Yeah, it's noisy, huh? But you guys are used to it. You're pretty good getting used to it. It's just a trash truck. Yay, the noise is stopping. You happy now? Talking to his buddy. Talking about it.